Good morning, my dear students. I hope all of you have done your midterm exam well. So students, we are going to start our classes from today. We'll start from the grammar book. Okay. We have completed chapters 1 to 14 before the midterm exam. Today we'll start chapter 15 of your grammar book, that is verbs. Okay, chapter 15, verbs. Verb is a part of speech that is very much essential for making a sentence. Okay, you must remember that. Without a verb, a sentence cannot be formed, can never be formed. Till now in the lower classes, you have learnt that verb is a doing word. If somebody asks you what is a verb, then your reply is verb is a doing word. In this class, you will learn that verb is something more than just a doing word. Okay? So, let's start chapter 15 verb, which starts from page number 49. Okay, it starts from page number 49. So, we are going to learn what about verb? Not just a doing word. Okay, verb is what? What a noun does, what a noun is, what a noun has. Okay, so what is a verb? Verb is a word what a noun does, what a noun is, what a noun has. Okay, it shows, that word shows what a noun does, what a noun is, and what a noun has. So all of you remember what a noun is? Noun is naming word. That means person, animal or thing. What a person, animal or thing does, what a person, animal or thing is, what a person, animal or thing has. Okay. So I have brought some pictures here. These are verbs of actions. Okay, these are called action verb, which means doing something. As we have learnt already in the lower classes, that is doing word. Okay, first let's learn the doing words. Walk. See the actions? Walk, run, play, sleep, read, write, jump, ride, talk. All these are verbs which shows action. That means doing something. These are doing words. Now the second part, verbs of being. That is am, is, was, will be. Okay. Now being means what? Look at this picture. What it is. It is a peacock. It is a peacock. Peacock is a beautiful bird. So look at this is. So is a verb. It is a verb of being. What a parrot is. Okay. I am Mary. I am a student. It is, when there is I, we are using am. I am Mary. I am a student. So am is a verb. Okay, being verb, be verb. Now look at her. She's crying almost. She is Juhi. Juhi is sad. Is. This is also verb. She is Muskan. Muskan is curious. She is Muskan. Muskan is curious. Who is she? She is Muskan. Okay, is a verb. Now these are the verbs of being: am, is, was, will be. Now the third one is verbs of belonging. That is, I have, you have, he has. Last year I had. This goes for the past tense. I'll teach you these in the coming days. So verbs of belonging is what? Have, has, had. Verbs of belonging: have, has, had. That means what they have, what it has, what he has, what he has. Now look at this the first picture. There are some monkeys. Monkeys have long tails. What do they have? They have long tails. Monkeys have long tails. So this have is a verb. That means this long tails belongs to the monkeys. That is why verbs of belonging. It is called verbs of belonging. Monkeys have long tails. Now what does the bird have? The bird has wings. The bird has wings. Wings belongs to the bird. The bird has wings. Has is the verb. I have a ball. I have a ball. That means this ball belongs to me. I have a ball. Have is verb. Jason has a guitar. He is playing the guitar. Jason has a guitar. So this guitar belongs to Jason. So has is the verb. Verb of belonging. Okay, students. Monkeys have long tails. The bird has wings. I have a ball. Jason has a guitar. So have, has, these are verbs. Now students, do you see this picture? What is there? Some actions are there in this picture. Okay, and look at the first one. There's a tree. Okay, can you make it out? This is a tree. A boy is, what is he doing? He is climbing on the tree. Okay, I am helping you. Okay, you can also give a name to them. Okay, let him be Joy or Deepak or anybody climbing the tree or climbing a tree. What is he doing? What is she doing? What is she doing? And this one, this picture. Okay, you can see a ball here. So what you need to do, you need to observe the picture and here it should be right. Okay, observe the picture and write 6 sentences using verbs. Okay, not only action verbs, you can use verbs of belonging also. Okay, verbs of being also, be verb also you can use. Okay, so you need to do it in your grammar copy. Okay students, did you understand? You observe the picture properly and write, you just write W-R-I-T-E. It should be right here. Okay, somehow it is missed out. Okay, got deleted I think. So it should be right here, W-R-I-T-E. Just write it down. Write 6 sentences using verbs. Any verb you can use. Okay, verb of action you can use. That means doing word you can use. being word you can use, and of possessions also you can write. Belongings, that is belongings. Okay, so that will be your homework. You need to do it in your grammar copy. So students, what did we learn today? What is a noun? The word that shows what a noun does, what a noun is, what a noun has. Don't forget, okay? What a noun does, what a noun is, what a noun has. Okay? So, bye-bye for today. We'll meet in the next class with some other exercises from your book. So try to do this homework today itself. Okay, so bye bye and have a good day.